Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo, and today I'm bringing you the biggest home decor haul I've ever done. So today we're outside on my front patio because this is huge. I needed a large space to lay everything out and show you what I got. I got a few things at Burlington Coat Factory and quite a bit from Hobby Lobby. So let's get into it. So I have all my Hobby Lobby clearance treasures lined up on my benches on my front patio. But first I'm going to show you guys what I found at Burlington. I just went in there on a whim and I found some things that I really like. Let's start off with these large pillows for $16.99. It is a set of 2. They are down and they have zippers so I can wash the covers. You guys know I love that. I also found this little lumbar pillow. This one was $8.99. Same deal. It's got a zipper and it's down. And I've been looking for some panels to add to the white ones I have on the windows. I just kind of want to move the white ones in and put a little color on each side. And I finally found one that I really liked. So it's super neutral. You get 2 panels, and this was $24.99, and I bought 2 sets. Back there, let me see how much that one was. That one was $14.99. It's just a decorative piece, but I love the wood color, and I have a place in mind for that. So I've kind of had a few things on my mind, like the curtains and something like that. So I was so glad I finally found things I really like. Now Hobby Lobby. So I love these so much. They're just large graduated tins. I got the small one for $3.99. They've got the black trim. It was regularly $15.99. The medium I got for $5.49. And it was regularly $21.99. Excuse me. And the large one for $27.99 I got for $6.99. Now I'm redoing my space between my kitchen cabinets and the ceiling. I have vaulted ceilings, and so if I don't use these for that, I'm definitely going to put plastic plant holders in them and use them as planters. So down here is all the sort of black and white and boho themed items. Last summer I redid my daughter's room in that theme, and so the colorful items I'm definitely going to use in her room, but these caught my eye because she has so much black and white in her room, and I realized something that's been on my shopping list for a while is square frames to put pictures of the kids in. So I paid $3.74, and these were originally $14.99. I picked up 3, and I think I'm just going to pop out those images and put pictures of the kids in them, and that's going to be a lot more affordable than buying frames in the frame area. So this little piece is a wooden sort of cactus of some kind. $3.49 is what I paid. Originally it went for $13.99. And then this one is kind of like almost tie-dyed or ombre. I paid $3.99. It's got a gold frame, and it was originally $15.99. And then this one, you guys can see why I'm doing it outside where I have a lot of space to move around, was $3.24 with all the little cactuses. Lots of pink in it. And that one was originally $13.99. Let me put these down so I can show you this one. So this one I paid $4.49 for, and it is a glass framed piece, and it was originally $17.99. And now we'll get into all of the other things I picked up purposefully, thinking above my kitchen cabinets, what I'm going to redo it as. And one thing here I did pay full price for because I loved it so much. So it took a lot for me to do it, and it was still 50% off. First off, this is the first thing that I've picked up for Christmas 2019. I know, I'm crazy. So it was on sale for $3.74, originally $14.99. It's a heavy ceramic, and can you just see a little Christmas tree sitting in that? Because I can, and I did. And I walked away from it a couple times and decided to bring it home. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this yet. It will go above my kitchen cabinets. $8.74. Let's see, the original price was $34.99. So I love the natural wood tone of baskets and things. So I'm definitely gonna incorporate a lot of wood, some black, some metal. I'm thinking of either putting cutting boards in there or possibly some rolling pins, something that you can see stick up out of the top. So I'm definitely going to share that with you guys. It's currently empty. My son went up there and got everything down and cleaned it all up for me, so now I get to play with it. Now, I shared this in a Hobby Lobby shop with me, and my eye was really drawn to it. My store had this one and one in lavender. I just can't commit to the lavender because of the purple. I wish they had one in thyme. This one is the rosemary version. I paid $4.99 and it was originally $19.99. So I was really happy to find that one in such good shape. Just as kind of like a faux chalkboard. So this is not protected, and it had the store had quite a few more, but they're all scratched up, so I was really happy. And then the aisle was hopping. I think we're all kind of thinking the same thing. Get in there and get some cheap decor. So there was a lady that was very much next to me, shall we say. And I'm glad that she was, because she reached down for something and that made my eye catch this. It was in some kind of basket, not this one, but something like that. And then she saw me grab it and you could see the disappointment on her face. I felt so bad, but I wasn't going to give it up. So $17.99. This is not what she was reaching for, but I think she realized how pretty it was. I paid $4.49. Love this so very much. This is something I could even sort of stack in here, although I don't think I will. I think I will use this where you can see it a little bit better because it's just so cool. I have one that's similar, but it doesn't have any wood on it. Now, this I bought on clearance before the clearance sale hit at my store. Or should I say, maybe they had like a little bit. This was broken. I think I shared this in a shop with me. It's supposed to have some kind of like handle that comes up top. I paid $3.99, I want to say, for this one. And it doesn't even have the tag anymore. So I've been waiting to use this for when I redid my cabinetry. So that is a clearance find, but it was literally like the week before I found all this in the last 2 days. So I went to 2 Hobby Lobbies, one out of my way and then one close to home. Now this, there are no J's in my family. But it was $3.74 for this really good size cutting board, and I'm literally just going to turn it around. So it was $12.99 and I paid $3.24, and I am currently staining the top of my kitchen table, needed redone. So I'm actually going to take my stain and make that a little bit darker wood to match all the wood tones, and that's why I picked this up. So it's just like a little framed lattice piece, something that could go behind things and just give a little extra something. It was $6.49, originally $21.99. I have a white one that I picked up from Daiso Japan that I don't think was white. I think I painted it, and I use it a lot in my cupboard, in my kitchen, my hutch, to just kind of add something behind my goodies. And you guys have asked about it, so there you go. You can also find them at Daiso if you have one. Now this is not necessarily my style, but for $6.99 I thought this would be really cute either here out front or somewhere in the house for fall. And I definitely don't want to be paying full price. This one was $27.99. And I thought if it was during the season, I would totally pay $6.99 for something like this. And it has the wood, which warms up the white. To me, the white is a little too stark, but because it has the wood, it'll go well in my house. Okay, I don't know what this is. A potato masher? I don't know. It's obviously decorative. Maybe it's a bowling ball pin. I don't know. It was $3.99, originally $15.99, and I just thought it looked really rustic and fun. Now, this little guy was originally $3.99. I got it for 99 cents. It's just a burlap basket, so I'll have to put something in there firm to maybe hold some flowers or something, but again, thinking above my kitchen cabinets. And this, which I think these are so cool, this one was $4.99, originally $19.99, and I'm not sure where it's gonna go, but I've always admired them and I thought that that was so cool. So that's that. And this is the piece. I can't even say I paid full price because it was 50% off, as most of the store is right now, is this little, I guess it's a tiered tray of sort. So the top is split for the handle. Love that. And then the bottom is just open. It has a number 1 and a number 2 on it. Now I saw this and I thought, oh, I wish that was on clearance. And I saw it was $24.99 and I said, no way. And then I walked down the aisle where they have a lot of their metal items and everything was 50% off. So I did go back and picked that up for $12.49. So just kidding, I forgot my biggest purchase, which was this lamp. I have eyeballed this for a long time for my boys' room, which is behind me, and I'm not gonna show you. It's in no order right now, but they do have this desk and they both share it for their computers. This lamp was originally $119.99, and I was super happy to find it for $29.99. It goes perfectly in here with their colors and being industrial for the boys. So now my haul is complete. So that is my haul. I'm sure you guys can see why I did this outside, where I had a little bit of room to show you everything. And now the fun part of putting it in its place and finding a home for everything. This is the one time of year, besides after the holidays, when all the clearance goes up, that I actually am prepared to buy a few things for home decor, because at 75% off, you can't beat it. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all my treasures. Thank you for watching. I'll see you back very soon.